Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Tanya. Let's talk about flight booking, pipeline, and explain the main processes supporting it. How flight distribution works. Main players explained. Let's start at the very beginning. And in this case, it's the way airlines distribute their tickets. There are five main types of players in this process. Airlines, Global Distribution Systems or GDS, flight data aggregators, ATPCO, OAG, and Curium, third party travel retailers, OTA, beta search engines, traditional agencies, and airport. Here you can see with diagram how airline distribution systems are connected. Thanks for watching.